Hi, my name's Ryan and this is Container Home Academy. I'm going to teach you how to build a shipping container house like this one here. It's got a kitchen, living room, bathroom. It's got step-by-step videos. I'll teach you how to buy a shipping container. You'll learn how to install windows. You'll learn how to install doors. Learn how to do the framing. Teach you how to build a bathroom. Install cabinets. Buy appliances. Install pocket doors. You'll learn how to install electric. We'll teach you how to do the air conditioning and the heating, which size unit to buy, where to buy it, which water heater to buy, which washer and dryer to buy, which doors you want to use. We have a shopping list for everything you need, all the tools, the materials. You take it right to the store and you'll know exactly what to get. I'll teach you about insulation, zoning, permitting, how to build your foundation. You can build this whole container house for $35,000. If you work on it for 4 hours a day, you'll be done in 90 days. You can build this container house and sell it or live in it. You can rent it out. You'll get between $1,000 and $2,000 a month. You could get more if you put it on a short-term rental website. I'll be able to answer any of your questions, whether it's about electric or plumbing. In this course, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to build a shipping container house just like this.